Hey everyone, it's Scott with Sasquatch Collectors Emporium. We're here finishing up the Murphy Burroughs card show. I've got here from Super Break a Super Slabs Multisport buyback product.
Nice.
This costs $95. We get 1 to 2 slab cards in here, so we thought we'd bring you a little box break today. Always fun trying to chase these slab cards and these buyback products. Sometimes it's a good thing and sometimes, well, not so much. Let's see what we got. Got that famous black bag. Well, we got ourselves a Deshaun Watson 2017 Leaf Draft BGS 9.5. Well, hey, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose.
Look at that excitement.
That's what you do in this hobby. It's a gamble, but hey, sometimes you come out smelling really good. So thanks for checking us out. See us at I Saw Sasquatch. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.
Deuces.